Welcome to Lesson 4 of Foreign Language 2, which is about Conversational Arabic for Hospitality Management. Lesson 4 is about booking services and spatial requests. So we will continue our exploration of Arabic for hotel reservations by focusing on booking additional services and handling spatial requests. The key topics are 1. Booking additional services. So here we will learn how to ask guests if they would like to book additional services such as airport transfers or naklul matar or spa treatments, ilaj fil muntaja, and to also practice confirming reservations for these services in Arabic. Second, handling spatial requests. Understand how to inquire about any spatial requests guests might have, such as dietary preferences or book preferences. Learn to respond to these requests and ensure a comfortable stay for your guests. 3. Vocabulary for services. Familiarize yourself with essential vocabulary for services. Spa treatment, ilaj fil muntaja. Dining reservations, hej lil asha. Room upgrade, tarqiyatul ghurfati. So as you progress through these lessons, remember that clear and accurate communication is key when handling reservations in the hotel industry. And by the end of week 4, we will have the skills to effectively communicate with Arabic-speaking guests, making their booking experience smooth and enjoyable. Keep practicing and you will continue to build your confidence in conversational Arabic for hotel management. One, introduction. Welcome to lesson 4 of our conversational Arabic for hospitality management course. In this lesson, we will focus on booking additional services and handling special guest requests in Arabic. 2. The importance of additional services. Booking services beyond room reservations enhances the guest experience. Guests often seek services like airport transfers, spa treatments, or dining reservations. Effective communication is crucial for accommodating these requests. 3. Booking additional services. Let's begin with phrases for booking additional services. Would you like to book an airport transfer? هل ترغب في حجز نقل المطار؟ هل ترغب في حجز نقل المطار؟ Can I arrange that for you? يمكنني ترتيب ذلك لك؟ يمكنني ترتيب ذلك لك؟ What time would you prefer? في أي وقت تفضل؟ في أي وقت تفضل؟ 4. Handling special requests. Special guest requests require attention and flexibility. Do you have any dietary preferences or allergies? هل لديك أي تفضيلة غذائية أو حساسية؟ هل لديك أي تفضيلات غذائية أو حساسية؟ We will do our best to accommodate your request. سنبذل قصارى جهدنا لتلبية طلبك. سنبذل قصارى جهدنا لتلبية طلبك. Would you like any additional services during your stay? هل ترغب في خدمات إضافية خلال إقامتك؟ هل ترغب في خدمات إضافية خلال إقامتك؟ 5. Vocabulary for services. Familiarize yourself with essential vocabulary for services. Spot treatment. علاج في المنتجع or علاج في المنتجع. Dining reservations. حج للعشاء. حج للعشاء. Room upgrade. ترقية الغرفة. ترقية الغرفة. 6. Role play exercise. Practice booking services and handling special requests in pair groups or in pairs or groups. Simulate scenarios where you take guest requests over the phone or in person. So in lesson 4, we have explored the necessary Arabic phrases and skills for booking additional services and addressing special guest requests. Effective communication in these areas enhances guest satisfaction and contributes to a positive experience. I will now open the floor to questions and discussions. Feel free to ask anything related to today's lesson or handling guest requests in Arabic. This concludes lesson 4 about booking services and special requests. In the upcoming lessons, we will continue to expand your practical Arabic language skills for hospitality management. So in the next video, we will try to have review questions for lesson 4, which is about booking services and special requests. Thank you.